Okay, so we know that Samsung Galaxy S23 leaks are everywhere, but here is a new one. Now this renders actually might appeal to a lot of people, but here's the thing, this might not exactly be true because this one is showing that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a flat screen, which some of you might really want, but it will not be the case this year as well. Now we have already heard that the S23 Ultra will have slightly more symmetrical bezels all around, unlike the S22 Ultra. But that doesn't mean that it will have flat displays, even though the sides are going to be flatter, so you might expect that, but it's not happening because after all, Ice Universe said the S23 Ultra will continue to have curved screens. Now the curved screens are actually good to look at, but they have certain bit of problems in using it every single day. And that too if it is a Note series phone. To address all these problems, Samsung may even adopt flatter aesthetics for the Ultra models, but not this year at the very least. But at this moment, Samsung will not be able to put a flat display on the S23 Ultra. It could have been 6 months ago, not now. Now talking about the S22 series, which reportedly has missed the sales expectations by nearly about 30 million units, which is really a lot. And that makes you think, will there would be a price hike this year? Well, probably I'm not expecting. I will talk about that. And on top of everything else, the Z Flip 4 actually didn't do that well either. It was quite a bit of lackluster from Samsung. And that mostly because Samsung didn't even try to do anything crazy with the design and all. So yeah, we can expect a major redesign with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you want to know more about that, you can check out my recent video on that. But that doesn't mean the S23 Ultra isn't coming with any big upgrades. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that is overclocked and made by Samsung Foundry, or even a 200 megapixel main camera. Ice Universe actually said something else about the batteries though. In the batteries, we are not going to see a massive upgrade in the whole S23 series, but still, the standard models will get about 200 mAh more battery capacities than the current models. And the S23 Plus and the Ultra model will get 45 watt wired fast charging, whereas the cheapest model will actually get only 25 watt. I don't know, Samsung isn't doing anything great here. That's hardly a secret that the Galaxy S models always kind of struggle with thermals, and that is probably the case with almost every single phone nowadays. And this one is the reason why it sometimes fails to reach the peak performance in certain devices, and that too mostly because of the Exynos chips. But this year, there won't be Exynos, so it's all about Snapdragons. But according to a leaker, Samsung will actually improve insanely the cooling system. Yes. Now all of these things might sound really good on paper, but we don't know how exactly good they are gonna be in real life. And for that, we have to wait quite a bit. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.